Today I'll teach you what is Dapper and how to use Dapper in ASP.NET applications. I'll also cover how to install Dapper using Nuget in your project. So let's start with Dapper. Dapper is a micro ORM. ORM means object relational mapping, and it is a very good thing that Dapper is open source. Dapper simplifies working with ASP.NET, which means it reduces the amount of code we have to write to execute SQL queries and stored procedures. Dapper is easily compatible with .NET and .NET Core applications. Dapper allows you to execute raw SQL queries and also execute stored procedures. It also supports parameterized queries, which is a shield against SQL injection attacks. The biggest advantage of Dapper is that it is lightweight, fast, making it an ideal choice for high performance and low latency applications. So let's begin by installing Dapper from Nuget. Now in the Nuget command window, I am writing the Dapper, which is the package name and its version, and pressing the enter key. So in a matter of seconds, you will see that Dapper is installed. Now let's move to the code behind. So here we'll try to access the Dapper namespace. So here I am writing using and Dapper. That's it. Your application is now ready to use Dapper. So with this, we complete our video. Today we learned about Dapper, its uses and also its advantages. We also learned how to install Dapper in our ASP.NET WebForm project and also how to start using Dapper. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.